I'm Andy Moffat. I'm the UK Business Development Director here at Aire. So Aire is a next generation credit reference agency. We're the fourth credit reference agency in the UK, authorised and regulated by the FCA. We work very differently to Experian, Equifax and TransUnion. But we don't compete with them, we complement their data. So where the traditional credit bureau data is historical data, looking at the past 6 years of an individual, we're very much interested in their financial position right now. So we call that first party data, and we collect first party data to analyse what they look like in terms of affordability and credit risk, and more forward-looking factors to help a lender accept more new customers, but without increasing any risk. We're also very much interested in helping consumers get a fairer access to credit. So when they do have thin or limited credit history, it can sometimes be very difficult for them to get fair credit because a lender using traditional credit data will assume they're a lesser risk and they won't get such good products. So that's essentially what we do. But we don't, as I mentioned, we don't compete with the credit reference agencies. We complement their data. So in the UK, there's about 5.8 million people who are invisible to the credit system. So that's the sector that we really play in. So we help Experian identify those people and help lenders then accept more customers. Interestingly, in the UK as well, Experian estimate there were 2.5 million marginal declines where there wasn't enough information about a consumer, so they have to decline them for whatever reason. Out of those 2.5 million, only 12% of those would actually go on to default over the next year. Yeah, the year's been really interesting. We've had a customer go live today, which has been fantastic. We're moving from that startup mode where I'm very much product-led, now into a much more of a commercial growth mode, where we'll go out to more and more customers. We've been active in the retail finance space. We will take that now further using some of the case studies we have, and we'll expand across the customer life cycle from acquisition to customer management and also into collections where we can greatly help our customers. Yeah, it's been a fantastic 2 days. I mean, we've had a real mix of conversations from some lenders, and then we've had some great conversations with some banks, some other retail finance customers, all the way through to having conversation with venture capitalists and potential investors into our organisation. As we only went through Series B in February, which takes us through to the end of next year, some of those conversations will be really important to us, but also more importantly with some potential tech partners as well, who could help us distribute our solution, and especially some PR companies who will help with our brand awareness. A combination of that further growth and also growing in the US. So we're active in the US now, we have someone over there. It's less mature than where we are here today. So that will hopefully grow throughout the next year, and we'll grow as an organisation and hopefully get a lot more customers on board.